chasing sunsets, not my shadow. Round the world into tomorrow. Skies so wide they touch the ocean. Footsteps carried by devotion. Switch the frames, the world's in motion. Every beat a new emotion. City lights and mountain peaks. Life moves fast, we're never weak. Planes and trains and winding highways. Charting stars to guide my Fridays. Deserts hum and jungles whisper. Every mile the view gets crisper. Flip the rhythm, change the scene from golden glow to shades of green.